y'all, this is part 2 of my medium boho knotless tutorial. In this video, I'm showing you how I did those gorgeous boho knotless braids. If you haven't watched part 1, I suggest you do that first to see how I pre-part my rolls for medium knotless. So yeah, let's get to it. So for this look, I used lock and twist gel, a wristband to hold the gel, clips, Kiss nail glue, the best nail glue ever, paddle brush, rat tail comb, or precision rat tail comb, either one works. And you're going to need some bundles. I used 2 bundles of the Janeiro deep wave in 20 inches and 22 inches, and 1 bundle of the Wiggins loose deep in 20 inches. And the braiding hair I used was the Outre Expressions in color 2. I got the 32-inch pack and I cut that in half because I'm only braiding like a little bit past my hair. I want it to be more curls than braiding hair. So right now I'm just cutting the bundles off the weft, and I'm back combing with a rat tail comb to get all those unnecessary short hair pieces out of the bundle. And then I'm putting some lock and twist gel on the tips of those bundles, and I'm just separating it so it can be ready for braiding. First, I'm going to put some lock and twist gel on the base of my hair, and I'm combing that through with the rat tail comb. And I'm gonna start my braid with my own hair. I'm gonna braid it down like 2 to 3 times. Then I'll start adding the pieces of braiding hair. After I finish braiding down my natural hair 2 to 3 times, I start to feed in 1 piece of braiding hair with my index finger and my thumb. Then I'm braiding down again, and I feed in my 2nd piece of braiding hair, then braid down again and add my 3rd piece of braiding hair. When I finish feeding in the 3 pieces of braiding hair at the top, I'm going to stop and add in my 1st piece of human hair, the same way I fed in the braiding hair, except I'm only braiding the short end of that human hair where I put the lock and twist gel on. And the piece that you want coming out of the braid should be clipped away from the braid. Once that piece is out the way, I'm going to continue braiding down like 3 to 4 times. I'm also using my lock and twist gel and putting that on the hair as I braid down to make sure it's sleek and neat. And then I'm going to feed in another piece of human hair, braid it down 2 to 3 times to lock it in, and then take that longer end of the human hair and clip it away and continue braiding down again 3 to 4 times. Now I'm adding my 3rd pieces of human hair, and I'm braiding it down again and clipping away those longer pieces as I braid down. I want the braids to be a little bit longer, like I want it to end at my chest. So I'm going to feed in 1 more piece of braiding hair here towards the end. And for the ends, I'm feeding in 2 pieces of human hair. I want my ends to be thick and full, and I'm braiding that down to my chest. Once the braid stops at my chest, I'm going to take the thinnest piece of braiding hair and tie it to secure it, and then secure it even more with a drop of nail glue. Make sure you don't put too much nail glue on the ends of these braids because it will turn white if you do. But if you do end up putting too much nail glue like I did on some of these, you can use some black hair spray paint to cover it, or black liquid eyeliner. And then after I finish my braids, I cut off any braiding hair that's left out. Be careful doing this part because you don't want to cut off that human hair that you just added. I'm also cutting out any of the short hairs that are sticking out of the braid to make it look neater. So in order for your boho knotless to look like it's more curls than braid, you need to add in 3 to 4 pieces of human hair to each braid. And you need to add 2 pieces of human hair on the ends if you want it to be full. This style took me a good 2 days to do because it's work, okay? But it came out so cute. So now I'm going to set the braids with the Lotta Body foam, and I'm focusing it on the braids only. And then I use my blow dryer on high heat to melt off any flyaway pieces of braiding hair or human hair and lock it in place. After that, I'm going to dip my hair in a bucket of boiling water. No, this does not mess up any of the human hair pieces that are throughout the braid, but it does make your braids softer and leaves a silky finish to them. And for the last step, I'm going to define the curls by detangling the ends with my paddle brush and scrunching the hair up with my hands. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and put my diffuser attachment I got from the beauty supply store and just define and dry those curls even more. I mean, like, look at how defined those curls got. It's gorgeous, it's full, and that's the look we're going for. I'm taking some oil sheen and spraying that only on my scalp because it smells good and it makes my hair look shiny, but not too shiny. And for the last step, this is optional. I'm using my soft boar bristle brush to texturize my curls. I like my curls to be a bit messy, so I'm taking my brush and I'm just brushing it upwards and downwards all throughout the braids. And that is how I did my medium boho knotless. I hope this video helps someone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!